Welcome, Mystios! I'm Martin Jensen, and today you will have a chance of winning this shield. As we wait for Assassin's Creed Valhalla, I'm launching this subscriber contest, and it will last until the release of the game. It's supposed to be at the end of the year. If during this period I get 20k subscribers, I will pick one winner and send the shield. If I get 50k, I will pick a new one, make a new shield, and the next magic numbers are 100k, 300k, 600k, 1 million, 1.5 million subscribers, and let's not get ahead of ourselves. Read the rules in the description and pay attention to this film. The earlier you comment with the right answers, the bigger the chance you have to win. Let the quest for the shield begin. While we wait for the glue to do its magic, here's the first question. What is the surname of Ezio, who we meet early on in the Assassin's Creed series? Alright, now we're about to cut out the axis and the inside of the shield, and for that I'm gonna use the router, which is the answer to question number 2, the tool I used for cutting it out. And when you answer the question, you put like number 2 and then first letter of your channel name. My channel name is WoodTube. So I would put W router for answer number 2. Alright guys, we are moving into the final stage of the Assassin's Creed Valhalla Shield. I played some of the first ones a long time ago, and I remember especially the Ezio thing about running around in Florence. And later on in life I also have been to Florence, and what amazed me was that the similarities of how it looks like in the game and in real life, it's almost completely the same, except for the modern stuff that has happened to Florence. We are moving on with the shield. Beware, I'll be launching the next question soon. Now it's time to do the question number 3, and that's in what year does Assassin's Creed Valhalla take place? Finish off your answer with the last letter of your account. My name is Martin Jensen, and then the last letter would be N in Jensen. Good, you got it now. Well, it's time to do the burn. Mistios, back where we started. Fourth and last question, what is your YouTube account name? Finish the answer with the date you post the comments. I would have written WoodTube20 because today's the 20th. In order to win, you have to have shared this on social media. I prefer Facebook, and to be a subscriber. Sharing is caring, you know. Summing it all up, press subscribe, answer 4 questions in the comment field, share this YouTube film on social media. How hard can this be? I hope this quest was a bit fun. I will do more of them if it works out. Meanwhile, we wait for Valhalla.